So a function only has one x value for every y value. So x values never repeat. So a function would be x values don't repeat. Not a function, x values repeat. So in the first one, determine whether a relation is a function. So there is a relation between all these points, but looking at the x values, do they repeat? And they do not. So this is a function. So yes, a function. Looking at our next one. -2, 0, 2, 3, 2. So it looks like 2 repeats, so that's not a function. Next one, looks like our x's repeat, so not a function. Next one, looks like nothing repeats, so that is a function. All right, so that's with coordinates and tables. Now number 5 and 6, these are mappings. So what it's saying is, like -4 goes to 4. That's the coordinate, -4, 4. 1 goes to -1, or -1 goes to -1. -1 also goes to 7. 2 goes to 3. And 1 goes to 7. Do the x's repeat? Sure do. Right here. Got 2 of them that repeat. So if you ever see 2 lines coming from one x, that means that it is not a function. Next one, I see only 1 line coming from every x. So yes, it's a function. So vertical line test, that's the next one we're coming to. If you have, so the vertical line, straight up and down. Only, at any point, it only touches the graph of the function one time. So not a function, the graph or the vertical line will touch more than once. So just a quick example. So something like, if I had a vertical line, that vertical line, anywhere I draw a vertical line, it will only touch the graph one time, the function. Vertical line touch more than once, so not a function. It would be something that looks like this, where you have a vertical line, it would touch more than once. That is not a function. So it'd be more than one x value there. So let's look at these graphs. So if I could draw a vertical line, and I can touch more than one point at a time, that is not a function. So it's hitting more than one coordinate at a time. So that is not a function. So no, not a function. Number 2, I can draw a vertical line through each of these points, and it doesn't hit another point. They all hit just one time. So this is a function, yes. Number 3, if I can draw a vertical line anywhere along, it's only hitting the graph one time each. So this is a function. Number 4, anytime you can draw a vertical line, and anytime, it just takes one time. If it hits more than one time, your function, it is not a function. So again, the circle, doesn't matter where you draw. You could have drawn it on the left side. It's hitting twice. So that is not a function. Next one, the vertical line. This is the toughest one. Draw a vertical line on the vertical line, and it actually hits infinite amount of times. They're hitting all over the place, so that is not a function. Number 7, it says absolute value function, only hits once, only hits once, only hits once. There's no place that's ever going to hit twice, so that's a yes, that is a function. Number 8, we got to assume that these are going to go in the same direction forever. So anywhere you draw a vertical line, you're only going to hit, it's only going to cross your function, the graph of the function, once. One time. No place it'll ever hit twice. So this is a function, yes. And that is 4.3.